If you've ever wondered how live betting actually works on Betfair and how people manage to place bets while a match is already happening, then this breakdown will walk you through the entire process in a clear and practical way so you understand what is going on from start to finish. Live betting on Betfair is a little different from traditional sportsbooks because instead of just betting before a game starts, you are reacting in real time to what is happening on the field, court, or track, and the odds are constantly changing every second based on what is happening in the event and how other users are betting against each other on the exchange. To begin with, Betfair is a betting exchange, which means you are not always betting against the house like a normal sportsbook. Instead, you are often betting against other users. One person might offer odds on an outcome, and another person accepts those odds. Because of this system, live betting feels more dynamic, faster, and sometimes even more flexible in terms of pricing. When you open the Betfair platform, whether on desktop or mobile, the first thing you usually see is the sports section. From there, you select the sport you are interested in, for example football, tennis or basketball, and then choose a live match that already has the in-play indicator, showing that it is currently ongoing. Once you enter a live match page, everything becomes about real-time information. You will see the score, match timer, and most importantly, the constantly moving odds. These odds change based on momentum shifts in the game. For example, in football, if a team is dominating possession and creating chances, their odds of winning may shorten because the market believes they are more likely to score next. On the other hand, if a key player gets injured or a red card happens, the odds can swing dramatically within seconds. This is the core of live betting, reacting quickly to changes that the market has not fully priced in yet. When you decide to place a bet, you will usually see two main options depending on the type of market: back and lay. A back bet is simply betting that something will happen. For example, you back Team A to win the match. A lay bet is the opposite. You are betting that something will not happen. So if you lay Team A, you are effectively betting against them winning. This is one of the unique features of Betfair compared to many other platforms, and it allows for more strategic approaches during live games. To place a bet, you click on the odds you want. A betting slip will appear where you enter your stake, which is the amount of money you want to risk. The system then shows you your potential profit or liability, depending on whether you are backing or laying. In live betting, it is important to pay attention to how quickly odds change, because what you see 1 second might not be available the next. That is why many users watch the game while keeping the betting screen open, so they can react instantly when something important happens. Another important feature in live betting on Betfair is the cash out option. Cash out allows you to settle your bet before the match ends. For example, if you placed a bet on a team to win and they are currently ahead, but you feel the momentum might shift, you can cash out and secure a partial profit instead of waiting for the full result. This feature is heavily used in live betting because it gives more control over risk management. However, it is important to understand that cash out values change constantly and are influenced by live events, so timing matters a lot. As you get more familiar with live betting, you will start noticing how much the market reacts emotionally to events. A single goal, penalty, or red card can completely reshape the odds within seconds. On Betfair, this happens even more transparently because you are seeing real people adjusting their positions in real time. This is why experienced users often say that live betting is less about guessing the final result and more about understanding momentum and timing. Another key concept is liquidity, which refers to how much money is available in a particular market. High-profile matches like Premier League football games usually have very high liquidity, meaning you can place larger bets and still get matched quickly. Smaller matches may have lower liquidity, which can cause delays or partial matches at different odds. Understanding liquidity is important because it affects how easily your bets are accepted during fast-moving live events. Speed is also a major factor. In live betting, hesitation can be costly. Odds may change while you are confirming a bet, and sometimes your bet might not get matched at the price you expected. That is why many users develop a habit of pre-selecting their stake and being ready to click quickly when the right opportunity appears. It becomes almost like a timing-based decision system rather than a slow analytical process. One thing many beginners overlook is how emotional live betting can become. Because everything is happening in real time, it is easy to react impulsively to what you see on the screen. A team might miss a goal, and suddenly you feel like the next goal is guaranteed, but the market may already have adjusted for that moment. This is why having a clear strategy or limit before entering live betting is important, so decisions are not driven purely by emotion. On the technical side, Betfair's interface is designed to update odds automatically without needing to refresh the page. You will notice numbers flashing green or red depending on whether odds are shortening or lengthening. This visual feedback helps users quickly understand market movement. Green often indicates odds decreasing, meaning the outcome is becoming more likely according to the market, while red indicates odds increasing, meaning the outcome is becoming less likely. Another useful feature during live betting is the market depth view, which shows how much money is available at different odds levels. This helps you understand where the market pressure is building. If a large amount of money is stacked at a certain price, it can act as a resistance point where odds struggle to move past unless a major event happens in the game. As you continue using live betting, you may also explore trading strategies, where instead of simply betting on a result, you enter and exit positions based on short-term movements in odds. For example, someone might back a team early in a match when their odds are high, and then lay them later when their performance improves, locking in profit regardless of the final result. This is more advanced and requires careful attention to timing and market behaviour. It is also worth noting that Betfair offers different sports with different levels of live betting activity. Football and tennis are the most popular because they have continuous action and frequent momentum shifts. Tennis especially is very active for live betting because every point can influence the odds immediately, making it highly dynamic compared to slower sports. Throughout all of this, it is important to understand that live betting carries financial risk. Outcomes are uncertain, and even well-timed decisions can lose depending on how the game unfolds. That is why experienced users treat it more like analysing probabilities and market behaviour rather than trying to predict outcomes with certainty. The goal is not to win every bet, but to make informed decisions over time. In summary, using live betting on Betfair involves selecting a live match, understanding real-time odds movement, choosing between back and lay bets, placing stakes quickly, and optionally using tools like cash out and market depth to manage risk. The entire experience is fast-paced and constantly changing, which makes it both exciting and challenging. The more you observe how odds react to real-world events, the better you understand how the system works, and the more controlled your decisions become over time. If you're approaching it from an educational perspective, the most important thing is to focus on how the exchange works, how odds shift in real time, and how market behaviour reflects what is happening in the match. That understanding is what separates guessing from actually reading the flow of a live betting market.